everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Chaitanya. In this video I'll be talking about the haptic feedback in the POCO X3 smartphone. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 device, and I have been using this device for the past I think close to 24 hours, and during this time let me try to explain the haptic feedback, how I feel after using for quite some time. So I'll try to compare meanwhile haptic feedback to the POCO F2 Pro as well as the POCO F2 Pro device. So let me try to open the settings here and go to the sounds and vibration. So when you're in the sound and vibration, here you do get haptic feedback enabling, that's it. So there is no option to increase and decrease the sensitivity of the haptic feedback. So there is a quite disadvantage right now. But overall the haptic feedback is pretty good. In each and every area you can actually notice the difference. So when you scroll down in the settings, when you reach the bottom, you'll get some kind of haptic feedback even in the top as well. Not only here, even when you are scrolling to the camera as well, in terms of the camera changing between the lens and options, you do get this kind of haptic feedback. And when you're in the alarm clock, here also when you scroll here, you do get that kind of haptic feedback whenever you are changing and keeping an alarm. So this is a good advantage in terms of having good haptic feedback. Even when you're typing anything, it's pretty good, and you do get nice feeling as well, not that kind of cheap looking haptic feedback sensor. So it's a pretty decent haptic feedback sensor. And if you ask me which is better, if I compare with the POCO X3 or the POCO F2 Pro or the POCO X3, then definitely I would say the POCO F2 Pro is the best option. So which is present POCO F2 Pro, that is a premium end mobile phone. So where the haptic sensitivity is very huge and very big as well. Like you can feel the difference in the POCO F2 Pro smartphone whenever I'm using. So if you want to know how to get this kind of real-time FPS meter in both the POCO devices, so try to check the links in description how you can get that thing as well. But overall in terms of the haptic feedback, I can definitely say the POCO F2 Pro is the winner. Even the POCO X3 is also good, but its kind of implementation is not so good. So maybe in the future updates we might get this kind of option to increase and decrease the sensitivity. That might be very useful in the POCO X3 device. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.